Oh, hey, come on in. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome to today's taco salad meal prep. This is one of my favorite taco salads, and if you are looking for a lunch to bring to work or a dinner, maybe you're on the go, this is the perfect thing for you. It's so healthy, it's so delicious, and it stays amazing for a few days. So first and foremost, I have some ground beef cooking back there. I'm just gonna turn off the stove because it's perfectly done. Perfect. It's just cooked in a little olive oil and taco seasoning. Super simple. And now my favorite way to meal prep a salad are mason jars. So I got the 32-ounce mason jars. I accidentally got 64 ounces. Don't do that. They're freaking huge. So 32-ounce mason jars. If you're looking for a meal prep, I got you. So this will stay good for a few days. You can carry it to work easily. Let's get started. In a mason jar salad, the dressing goes at the bottom, so the rest of the ingredients don't get soggy. So we're gonna start with a scoop of Greek yogurt in each. I love Greek yogurt in that replacement for sour cream. It still has the same exact amazing flavor, but a little bit healthier. And of course, it's plain. We do not want vanilla. I'm gonna come in, do a little bit of hot sauce of your choice. We have some olive oil. I'm super bummed because I forgot a lime. The lime is a key driver in this dressing, so don't forget lime at home. And then I'm just gonna do some taco seasoning. And why I also love this, it's so easy just to do everything in one jar. Before you put the ingredients in, just make sure you give the dressing a little mix. Oh, it's already so freaking good. Now the fun begins. It's so easy from here on out. I obviously prepped all my ingredients. Dressings at the bottom. First things first goes in the beans. So let's toss those in. Great protein, great fiber. Next up, I got some roasted corn. I buy it roasted already. It's so easy. The frozen kind from Trader Joe's. I just reheat it. Next up, some diced red onion. And not as much as all the other ingredients because a little goes a long way when it's a raw onion. Next up, we have some diced tomatoes, some nice juicy ones. About half a tomato in each jar. Next up, we got our ground beef. I'm gonna get all this stuff out of the way. The biggest thing that Lane always says about me, he loves how I cook, I just make the biggest mess. And he's not wrong. It's already looking so good. Look at that layer. It looks like a 7-layer taco dip. I'm obsessed. Next up, I diced up a little bit of romaine. Now this is gonna take up most of the salad. I'm gonna stuff it in there though. Maybe I did need those 64-ounce jars. Perfection. We're gonna do a tiny bit of cilantro in each of that as well. Just a little bit of great herbs and flavor. Coming in here with some cheese, amount to your liking as well. You can just make sure it's stuffed down there. Last, but certainly not least, the furthest ingredient away from the dressing are some crushed tortilla chips. And voila. Look at that. Look how freaking good this looks. A taco salad ready to go so you can have a nutrient-dense, delicious lunch or dinner on the go. Now, all you do, just absolutely perfect. Now you can pop these in the refrigerator, but I'm just going to take one of them immediately just so you guys can see the finished product. When you are ready to eat it, I'm just gonna put the tortilla chips and cheese a little bit to the side here, and then all the other ingredients, we're gonna load right on in there. Last but not least, that dressing and the chips that were on the side, crunch them again on top. From this to this, I give you a princess. You guys, come on in here, let's taste test. Holy moly, look how freaking good this looks. I've already tasted the dressing though, and it's phenomenal. Wow. That's like a really freaking good restaurant quality taco salad. So good. And so big too. Look at the serving size. Make sure you guys try this. Great way to meal prep. Stay on your health game. I love you guys, and I will see you next week, or come on in.